What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tony D2Y checking in, man. I got a quick little unpackaging of 2 items I got sent over from some independent brands. Once again, if you're an independent brand, feel like sending something, I don't have no problem showcasing some of your stuff. This is from Zen Nation in New York, and I had it for a minute. I was just backed up on videos, but he had hit me up on Instagram and told me he wanted to send me one of his shirts. You know what I'm saying? So I'll make sure to put the link to the shirt, either his Instagram or to get the shirts, or both of them. I'll put it in there if you guys want to check it out. Feel free. Like I said, this is called Zen Nation. Size medium. This is awesome. It looks way better than it did on IG, because this is like screen printed. Then it's like a two-tone. Like this ain't like screen printed. This is actually cotton, like, you know, stitched. And then the arms, the sleeves are the same way. You got like 2 different fabrics. You know what I'm saying? Very, very clean. And this is from Zen Nation, Z-E-N Nation. And then I hit up, you know, the good people at Blue Evolution. You know, I might be doing some future work pickup from them. And Blue Evolution, guys, if you don't know, it's where I got those acid wash. Black acid wash. I had to just go ahead and pick these up. I'm not gonna wear this as much because it's kind of fall. You don't supposed to wear this in the fall time, but this is good to pick up now for the summer. This retails at Blue Evolution or whatever. This says retails 70 bucks. They had a whole bunch of these for like $20, man. All white, all whites. You know what I'm saying? That's that summer, spring. They got tons of jeans, man. $20 jeans over there. So, you know, I'll put the link to that in the description as well. To the jeans. They got tons of jeans for 20 bucks. I'm talking about the acid wash jeans that you guys love. You know, tons of jeans for just 20 bucks. So go check them out, Blue Evolution, man. They're located in Los Angeles. I probably will get some pickups from them in the future, hopefully. And if they do, then we'll get it popping, man. Oh, here's Blue Evolution right here, yeah. These are white jeans. I got these in a size 36, 32 because they're skinny. I don't like to wear skinny jeans like in a skinny way. I like it to, I don't know, it's hard to explain. But 30, like I'll wear 34, but I always go up, when it says skinny, I go up to 36. I don't know, I just like it a little bit wider. I don't like it too skinny, but I don't like it too baggy at the same time, you know? And when I mean baggy for me is when the pants leg is eating the shoe, like you can't fucking see it. And yeah, I'm on CNN right now waiting for that Michael Brown situation to arise. So yeah, guys, see you guys on the next video. Make sure you download that new mixtape, the Lost Files 2 Hour for TV, or I don't know which way I named it. Hold on, I gotta get that right. I gotta get that right. I can't disrespect myself like that. The Lost Files 2 Hour for TV. I was right. Yeah, go ahead, check that out. Go download that now. Leave your comments below, and stay tuned, guys. I either gonna probably do it before this video or after, but I gotta go. Dr. Too Wild is coming soon, so we're gonna get that out the way ASAP. So stay tuned for that. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next review. Peace.